Good morning students. In the previous video, we have discussed about Dalton's atomic theory, and in his theory, he has talked about atoms. So let us discuss about atoms in this video. The idea about the divisibility of matter was given by Indian and Greek philosophers. The smallest indivisible particle was called Parmanu or atom. Also, we have learned that according to Dalton's atomic theory, all matter, whether an element, a compound or a mixture, is made up of smallest indivisible particles called atoms. So in the other words, atoms are considered as building blocks of all the matter. So an atom can be defined as the smallest particle of an element which may or may not be capable of free existence. However, it is the smallest particle that takes part in a chemical reaction. So now the next question is, how big are the atoms? Can we see them? The size of the atoms are extremely small. They are extremely small particles. So small in size that they cannot be seen even under a microscope. To see them, a highly sophisticated microscope known as scaling tunneling microscope or STM has been devised, which has made it possible to see the atoms. As atoms are considered to be spherical, their sizes are expressed in terms of their radii called atomic radius. The atoms are so small in size that their radii are usually expressed in nanometers. And these are some of the characteristics of atom. The first is, atom is the smallest particle of matter. All elements are made up of tiny particles called atom. Atoms are very small in size and cannot be seen through naked eyes or even with the simple microscope. Atom does not exist in free state in nature, but atoms takes part in a chemical reaction. The properties of matter depend upon the characteristics of atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of an element, similar to a brick which combine together to make a building, which means that all matter that exists in our nature is made up of atom. The size of atoms is indicated by its radius called atomic radius, and in the ancient times atoms was considered indivisible. So atoms are the tiny smallest indivisible particles and all matter is made up of atoms. So that was all about atoms, and in the next video we are going to study the symbols used to represent atoms of different elements. Thank you.